from TechCornerTV, and for my review today I have here the Mechanic ET-10 heat plate. As I mentioned before, in some of my mailbag reviews I kinda started to be a very big fan of SMD components. I know I arrived late to this party, but anyway, I decided to buy one of these heat plates to help me with my projects. I did my research among several options, and even if the specs are not always quite accurate in the product descriptions, this seemed to be one of the most balanced products in terms of price versus quality. But let me show what I'm talking about right after the features, so I will not waste any more time and let's jump into it. So as usual, I will start by showing you what came in the box. It comes in this box, a little oversized box for what it brings inside, with a power cable, European power cable. You have also, let me show you, the heat plate, and that's it, nothing else. So let me just show you. This is from Mechanic. I don't know if you know Mechanic. They are with a lot of products in the market. They bring this small user manual. It has here always also English, and yeah, and it brings also the next model. It's the ET-20. This is 10 by 10 and this is 20 by 20, the heat plate. And yeah, nothing special, just a small manual. It's like a triplet, and yeah, nothing special here. So this is the heat plate. It has 10 by 10 centimeters. It's squared. It's all in metal. Very nice construction, I must say. It has here the certificate of quality, yeah, and yeah, it was in the end of the last year. It has two displays. This is the current temperature and this is the desired temperature. They have different colors, I will show you in a moment. Power on button, the set up temperature and down temperature, nothing much. We have 3 channels. And yeah, we have also a fuse here. The heat plate has this, well, I think it's more than the centimeter. Let me see. Yeah, this aluminum, it's 13 millimeters. So yeah, it seems very robust. Okay, so let me connect the power. Yeah, and as you can see already, it shows you 2 lights. I will connect. These 3 channels depend on the temperature of each other, and I will show you what I'm talking about. I will start by connecting this. Right now, the desired temperature is 181 degrees. This is only Celsius degrees. It's not working yet. I have no channel selected. This is not hot yet. It's starting to heat, but yeah. So we have 3 channels, as I told you. The first channel, the second, and the third. And how does this work? In the first channel, you can come down to 0. Let me show you. Yeah, we can go down up to 0, and right now on the second channel we are able to go also down to 1. It's always 1 above the channel 1. Okay, you can go up to 0 or something like that. And for example, on channel 3, if you want to go up down, sorry, you can go only 158 degrees, because if you notice, channel 2 it's 157, and so you cannot go below this temperature. Neither on channel 2 you can go up this temperature, because channel 3, the bottom temperature of channel 3 is 158 degrees. If you go up, like put this one on 200 degrees, now you can go on channel 2 up to 199 degrees, because it's 1 degree before the next channel. And yeah, the three channels are kind of related. It's still heating up. I don't know why, because right now we are at 0 degrees. It should stop heating. Okay, one of the other things I want to show is the maximum temperature possible. You can go up to 320 degrees, not more. And I think it is enough. Okay, this is the top temperature. Only one channel can reach this. You can reach 319 on channel 2 and 318 on channel 1. It's not very fast to go to that temperature. If you see it right now, it's stopped. But yeah, he will get there, but it's not very fast. It will take some minutes to get to this temperature. The relay already started. I don't know if you listen. And overall, even with this delay to get there, I'm satisfied. The only, well, not so positive point is this. I don't know if I can show you this sticker. Yeah, if you can see, it's up. It has here a sticker, this one. And the glue, it's not very strong. It keeps ungluing. I don't know if that is a word. As you can see, yeah, this is not the best finishing, but it's really the only, well, not so positive point, negative point of this. And I don't know, but they are using quite this technique on some device. I have also a Creality washing machine for my 3D printing, resin 3D printing, that has exactly the same technique, and it's also well, ungluing. But yeah, this is not nice. But other than this, I like very much the green and the blue difference. It's quite user friendly. We can have instantly distinguish the current temperature and the desired temperature. And yeah, as you can see, this is still heating up to the 320. I don't know how many minutes we are going to still stay here. So what I'm going to do is to put the second channel on 200 and leave it there. Okay. Yeah, right now we have 200, and yeah, I think it should get there in a few minutes. Okay, so how do we test this? I'm going to, let me show you while this is heating up. I have here a test board. It's already with the solder paste and also the flux. What I'm going to do is put this in here, and let's see what happens. Right now I have this 200 degrees. These these boards are not very good in quality, so they normally change color while they are doing this. Okay, we have the solder paste already melted, and I will take this now out of here. Okay, I have the PCB populated, so let's put the PCB on top of this with all the components and let's see what happens. Okay, so here you have it. It doesn't seem too bad. I lost some ICs here, some capacitors and a 74 multiplexer. But anyway, that's my fault. I have to improve my soldering technique using SMD. But yeah, it seems okay, and we soldered, I don't know, over 70 components. Only resistance are 46 if I'm not wrong. And yeah, all at once. I still have to improve really my soldering techniques. That's why I bought these boards so I can test it. On my projects, I have less components on the board. This is ready for etch. It's I'm using the laser to engrave the lines, and after I will etch, and yeah, it will be okay. As you can see, it has a very nice resolution, the lines. That's what I'm doing. This is for the awesome camera slider from TechCorner. It will be available soon. As soon as I finish this, I will put this on GitHub and also on Thingiverse. Yeah, see, yeah, let's conclude this. Normally, when I decide to buy some test equipment, I do my due diligence, and when available, watch some reviews, carefully read the docs, and that was the case with this heat plate. Like any other heat plate, it isn't a full of features item, but even so, let me give you my 5 cents about this product. Mechanic is releasing a lot of products and basically covers everything in electronics, and this heat plate is one more of their products in a big range of electronic repair tools. I chose this product because it seemed fairly good in terms of quality and also features, since it gives you 3 different channels that allow you to change the desired temperature very quickly. In terms of time to reach the desired temperature, is not the fastest. Well, I think, since the only term of comparison I have is one of these cheap heat plates that goes up to 260 degrees in just a few seconds, while this one takes a bit more time to reach the same temperature. Nevertheless, I had it on way over 1 hour while recording this video, and the temperature seems to be very stable. The construction is pretty good, and I love the 2 indicators in different size and colors. For me, it's very intuitive, and you have the target temperature in small green number, and the biggest one is the blue, and you have the actual temperature in here. The only 2 negative points is the finish, this sticker. It tends to come out and the time it takes to reach the desired temperature. But on this point, please notice that I don't have any other heat plate to compare. Well, not counting with this nonsense, yeah, a serious product. So the time it takes to reach the temperature might be, in reality, the normal time a heat plate takes to get to the desired temperature. In terms of price, this unit cost me about 60 euros with delivery to Portugal. This is something like $68 or 50 pounds. But just before recording this video, I saw it on AliExpress with a price about 38 euros, meaning $43 or 31 pounds. So, all things considered, I think it was a really good purchase and I'm satisfied with what I got for the price paid. If you want one, don't forget you have the link also in the description. Just let me finish saying, if this video was in any way useful to you, don't forget to like it. A big thumbs up is appreciated, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell to be the first one to be notified whenever I post a new video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe. Cheers.